Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the channel, One Drink. My name is Miguel. In today's episode, I'm bringing you a review of Martini, Rossi Fiero. This stuff keeps popping out all over my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. So I wanted to give it a try. I actually traveled 40 minutes actually to get it. And so I made a cocktail with it and also tried it the way they want you to try it. Anyways, cheers and sit back and enjoy the show. Okay, so first of all, most of the recipes I've seen on the internet call for Fiero and tonic, and most of the times is equal parts, 50-50. So let's do it. Get your glass of ice. Do 3 ounces of Fiero. Now, of course, there are many tonics you can use. I'm using Fever Tree, and I have this beautiful, flavorful elderflower tonic water. Add it to the mix. And as a garnish, you can do an orange or a blood orange or a grapefruit. I'm going for just a slice of regular orange. Drop it in there and cheers. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make a Manhattan-like cocktail using Fiero as one of the ingredients. First, Fiero. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of Fiero. I'm going to do 2 dashes of this blood orange bitters. Too bad it's not a dasher, so I'm gonna do just like a little bit. That much is good. I'm sure that'll go a long way. Now I'm gonna do 1/2 ounce of this Jack Daniel's Tennessee honey. Now I'm gonna do 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and because I'm using Martini Fiero, I'm gonna keep it with the same theme and use Martini and Rossi sweet vermouth. One ounce going in. And I'm going to stir this puppy for about 20 to 25 seconds. And now I'm going to strain everything into the Martini glass. Look at that beautiful red color. Last but not least, I'm going to garnish it with one of these Amarena Fabri cherries. Expensive, but definitely worth every penny. In goes the cherry. And that's it. Thank you for watching.